Picture this, a lush, thriving oasis right in your backyard, where plants flourish year-round. Yes, we're talking about your very own greenhouse. This verdant paradise is more than just a botanical wonderland. It's a sanctuary where you can escape the hustle and bustle, a lab for your green thumb experiments, a testament to the magic of growth and change. It's where you'll witness seeds transforming into sprouts, sprouts into plants, and plants into a symphony of colors and fragrances. And the best part? This greenhouse dream isn't as far-fetched as it sounds. With a dash of planning, a sprinkle of effort, and a whole lot of love, you too can create a living, breathing paradise that's all your own. So, ready to turn this dream into a reality? Let's begin our greenhouse journey. The first step on this journey is finding the perfect spot for your greenhouse. Think of it as a game of real estate. Location is everything. You're looking for a spot that basks in sunlight and dances with the breeze. This is because sunlight is the key to photosynthesis, the magical process that transforms light into life. And airflow? Well, it helps to keep those pesky plant diseases at bay, ensuring your leafy companions stay in the pink of health. Now, you might encounter challenges. Maybe your yard is more shadow than sunlight, or perhaps it's as windstill as a summer afternoon. Don't fret. With a bit of ingenuity and a dash of determination, you can overcome these obstacles. Think about installing grow lights or setting up a fan to mimic nature's rhythm. Remember, a well-located greenhouse is a happy greenhouse. So take your time, do your homework, and your future plants will thank you for it. Next up, size and design. This is where your greenhouse starts to take shape. Now, the size of your greenhouse is a bit like choosing a new pair of shoes. It needs to fit just right. Too small, and you'll feel cramped. Too big, and you might feel lost. So, take a moment to visualize your dream greenhouse. Picture how it will look nestled in your chosen location. Will it be a compact sanctuary, barely noticeable among the trees? Or a grand statement, a testament to your love for all things green? Think about the types of plants you want to nurture. Exotic orchids may require a smaller, more controlled environment, while a jungle of tomato plants might need room to stretch their leafy arms. Remember, it's okay to start small and expand later. After all, every giant redwood starts as a tiny seed. Your greenhouse, your rules. Make it as intimate or expansive as you wish. Now let's talk materials. This is the skin of your greenhouse. Choose wisely. Greenhouses are like chameleons. Their exterior can be tailored to suit your needs and the demands of your climate. You have a veritable buffet of materials to choose from. Glass, the classic choice, offers a timeless elegance and unrivaled clarity, but it can be a tad fragile. Polycarbonate, on the other hand, is a modern marvel. It's tough, lightweight, and has excellent insulation properties, perfect for those in chillier climes. If you're an eco-warrior at heart, why not embrace your inner recycling guru and opt for a greenhouse made from recycled plastic bottles? Not only will your greenhouse be a conversation starter, it'll also be a testament to your commitment to the planet. Remember, your greenhouse is your fortress, your sanctuary. The right material will keep your plants safe and sound, come rain or shine. Time to roll up those sleeves and lay down the foundation. Just like building a house, your greenhouse needs a strong base. The type of foundation you choose can range from a simple trench filled with gravel to a more complex concrete slab. Each offers its own advantages. A gravel foundation, for example, is quick, easy, and provides excellent drainage. However, for those seeking longevity and stability, a concrete slab might be your best bet. It's like the tortoise in the race. Slow and steady, but it wins in the end. Remember, the foundation is not just about supporting the structure, it's about creating a barrier against pests, preventing waterlogging, and maintaining temperature. It's the unsung hero of your greenhouse, the rock upon which your botanical empire stands. So take the time to get it right. After all, a solid foundation is your greenhouse's best defense against the elements. Step 5, let's harness the power of the sun. Sunlight is the lifeblood of your greenhouse, the magic ingredient that powers photosynthesis and fuels plant growth. It's the warm, golden embrace that plants crave, transforming carbon dioxide and water into the oxygen we breathe and the sugars that fuel life on Earth. But how do you ensure your leafy friends are getting enough of those precious rays? Positioning is key. Aim to align your greenhouse east to west, maximizing exposure to the southern sun in the northern hemisphere and vice versa in the south. Consider the changing arc of the sun in different seasons and adjust accordingly. But remember, not all plants are sun worshippers. Some prefer the cool, dappled light of a forest understory, while others thrive in direct, scorching sunlight. Know your plant's needs and adjust their position within the greenhouse to match. Remember, in the world of plants, the sun is king. It's a dance of light in life that your greenhouse can choreograph to perfection. Next, we dive into the world of climate control. Imagine yourself as the weather god of your greenhouse, controlling the sun, the rain, and the wind. In your greenhouse, it's always the perfect day for your plants. Climate control is a lot more than just adjusting the thermostat. It's about creating an environment where your plants can thrive. This means maintaining the right temperature, humidity, and air circulation. So how do we do that? Well, for temperature control, we can use heaters for the cold months and ventilation or shade cloth for the hot ones. Humidity can be managed with misting systems or dehumidifiers depending on your plant's preferences. And for air circulation, nothing beats a good old-fashioned fan. Remember, every plant is unique. Some like it hot, some like it cool, some like it humid, and some like it dry. The key is to understand your plant's needs and provide them with their ideal climate. Master climate control, and you'll have the happiest plants on the block. Step 7. Let's talk water. That's right, it's time to set up your very own hydration station. You see, plants are like people. They can't survive without water. But unlike us, they can't just grab a glass when they're thirsty. That's where you come in. Whether it's a simple watering can, a complex irrigation system, or something in between, finding the right watering method for your greenhouse is crucial. Consider factors like the size of your greenhouse, the types of plants you're growing, and how much time you can dedicate to watering. A drip irrigation system, for example, can be a lifesaver for those with large greenhouses or busy schedules. Remember, regular watering is key. Too little and your plants will wither. Too much and they might drown. But hit that sweet spot and you'll be rewarded with lush, vibrant growth. Keep your plants hydrated and they'll reward you with lush growth. Last but not least, let's dig into the soil. This humble mixture of minerals, organic matter, water, and air is the unsung hero of your greenhouse. It's not just dirt, it's a bustling microcosm full of life, playing host to billions of microorganisms that work tirelessly to nourish your plants. There are several types of soil, each with its unique characteristics. Let's start with sandy soil. It's light, warm, dry, and well aerated. However, it doesn't hold nutrients well, so it may need some extra love and compost. Then we have clay soil. This one's heavy, cold, and compacts easily, making it challenging for roots to penetrate. But don't write it off just yet. It's rich in nutrients and retains water well, making it an excellent option for thirsty plants. Silt soil is the Goldilocks of soils. It's lighter than clay but heavier than sand. It's fertile, retains moisture, and drains well. It's just right for many plants but can be prone to compaction. And then there's loamy soil, the creme de la creme of soils. It's a balanced blend of sand, silt, and clay, offering the best of all worlds. It's fertile, well-draining, and easy to work with. If you can get your green thumbs on this one, you're in for a treat. But remember, it's not just about the type of soil. It's also about the nutrients within it. Plants need a balanced diet, just like us. Nitrogen for leaf growth, phosphorus for root and flower development, and potassium for overall health. A nutrient-rich soil means a happy, healthy plant. And let's not forget about pH. Plants prefer a slightly acidic to neutral pH. If the soil is too acidic or too alkaline, it can lock out essential nutrients, leading to unhappy plants. So whether you're sowing seeds or transplanting seedlings, remember that the soil is more than just a place for roots to hang out. It's a life-sustaining medium, a bustling metropolis at a microscopic level. Choose your soil wisely, for it is the lifeblood of your greenhouse. And there you have it, the steps to creating your very own greenhouse oasis. We've journeyed through the vital stages of a greenhouse creation, from scouting the perfect location and dreaming up your design to picking out the right materials and laying a sturdy foundation. We've soaked up the importance of sunlight, delved into the wonders of climate control, and splashed around in the world of plant hydration. And let's not forget our final soulful stop at the soil station, the life-giving layer that brings it all together. So what's stopping you? You've got the knowledge, you've got the power. It's time to turn that green thumb into a green fist and punch your ticket to greenhouse glory. So go forth, plant enthusiasts, and create the greenhouse of your dreams.